Hey everyone, welcome back to LaceUp channel. My name is Mickey. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our biggest warehouse management system that we've ever done. We're going to show you how we receive product, how we pick product, how we put product away in a picking location, how we ensure that you rotate out your oldest product first with first in, first out, track lot numbers, and last but not least, how you can go up and down the warehouse and know exactly what you have in each bin at any point in time. The goal for you is learn how one of these big warehouse systems works so that when you're shopping around for one, you make the best decision. Anyways, let's get right into it. So now we're sitting in the warehouse's receiving dock where product comes in through these doors and it gets received into inventory. Whether the product is coming in built pallets, mixed pallets, or right on the floor of a big container, product is taken right through these doors off the container and it's placed right here in the receiving dock. The receiving dock is where product gets counted by the warehouse management system and where the product eventually gets palletized, wrapped in saran wrap, and labeled with a QR code that contains how many products are on that pallet, what the lot number is, what the expiration date is, and what the quantity is. All right guys, so this is the palletizing section in the warehouse right here. As the product comes off the truck and it gets palletized, it's placed here, it's saran wrapped. Once it's saran wrapped, follow me over here. We print out a pallet label, and that pallet label prints out of these thermal printers right here. That label is placed on the pallet itself to be able to give it a QR code, and that's a QR code that gets scanned to indicate which product is going into which bin location, which is what I'm going to show you next. I'm going to show you how the product gets scanned and how that pallet goes from the floor of the warehouse in this receiving dock into its actual overstock bin location. So now that we've received the product officially into our warehouse, we've labeled the product on the pallet utilizing this little device. This is the device that we use to both scan the product in against its purchase order, and from here we send the command to that printer you just saw to print out that pallet label. Follow me real quick. You'll see on the pallet label how the label itself looks. So you can see right there, it's got a QR code, the name of the product, the expiration date, the lot number, and the date it was received. Now, in order to get this product to check in to this bin location, what you have to do is you have to take this device, you bring this product over from the receiving area on your pallet jack, and you're going to scan the product in like so into its location. So you can see that this product was scanned into here. Now remember, this is normally a picking location. A picking location is a location from which you pick the product. The overstock locations above are where you normally check it in, and then you rotate it down from above down here. Now that's not to say that our system is closed off or it'll make you do anything. The thing is, our system will allow you to optimize the space in your warehouse and check in the product using this scanner. All that matters is that you scan that barcode into any of these QR codes. That's all that matters. As long as you do that, the system will know the whereabouts of every pallet in your warehouse. So now that you know how we check product in, it's important to discuss how that product is transferred from above to down below. So if you follow me real quick, and let's use this example over here. You can see right up there, you know, we've got a pallet of a product. Now that pallet has a different lot number than the one down here. It also has a different expiration code. So what our system does, if you want to track lot numbers, if you want to do first in, first out, okay, you want to ensure that that product down there is picked first prior to transferring that product from above down below. So that is how we maintain first in, first out. Now, how do these transfers work? It's easy. You walk up with your scanner, you scan. In this case, you would scan the third bin, boom, and then you would scan the bottom bin where it's going to. And that would allow you to transfer that pallet from above to down below. And again, that's going to happen once this pallet runs out of product. So that is how we utilize first in, first out to transfer product from above to below. Now, let's keep walking down, and I'm going to explain to you guys how we do cycle counts within our inventory system. So if you follow me, let's go look for a bin location down here that has maybe some product that's almost out. So let's look for one. I see one right there, you can see it. So let's head over there. Okay, so let's say for example that we come to pick out of this bin and the system is reporting that we should have 10 cases in that bin. And when we look physically, we go in to pick it, it only has one case. The beauty of this system, all you have to do is tap cycle count. You come here, you scan the QR code representing this bin location, and you put in the amount of product you see in there, and the system will make the cycle count for you. Now, when you have a warehouse management system, all you have to do is worry about cycle counting the picking bins. Because when you cycle count the picking bins, you're able to save time not having to cycle count everything above that you've already checked in. Okay, so the cycle counts are as easy as boom, scan the scan the bin, input the quantities, and the system makes the adjustment for you, and then that adjustment goes to your accounting system. Okay, so now come over here. I want to discuss with you guys how the system handles one more thing, which is how do we handle different areas in the warehouse. So if you come with me here down to the end of the warehouse, I'll show you the areas. In this warehouse, there are 3 sections. There is a section called the dry goods or the grocery. That's what you see here. There is a refrigerated section, which is the second section in here. And the third section is a freezer all the way down at the end. Each of those sections is mapped out 100% in our inventory management system, and each section has mapped out dimensions for the bins. Even if you utilize the passageways or the aisles as bins, you're able to map all those things within our system, and as a result, you're able to know the exact whereabouts of every single product within your warehouse. Now, the bottom line is when you get to that bin location, if you're able to scan the bin location, or when you scan the bin location, the system will tie the pallet to that location. So technically, you could even have bin locations up in the roof or wherever you want, just as long as you label them and you map them out in our system. The last part in the warehouse that we want to talk about is the interaction between the inventory going on a truck and off a truck. Back there you see a truck, and it's actually unloading product into the warehouse. But normally, most distributors have trucks where product is loaded onto them, and they go out and make deliveries, and then those distributors or those trucks come back with remaining product. Within our system, we have a route return function right here. That route return function allows you to scan everything coming back off the truck and redirect it, whether it be to a damaged bin location or to its actual picking bin. This allows you to close the loop on any product that you may potentially lose, and it allows you to save thousands, even hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars when it comes to waste, theft, and shrinkage from your drivers. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really hope that you enjoyed the tour of this warehouse and how the warehouse management system works within the actual warehouse environment. If you liked the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe. We're gonna try to post videos like this every single week. If you're interested in a warehouse management system just like this one, I want you to hit the link below, and I want you to put in your information. Let us know exactly what you're looking for. We'll give you a call to see how we can help you in your company. Apart from that, I hope you have a great day. Take care.